I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the Action button function on your iPhone. The Action button replaces the traditional ring silent switch, giving you a physical button you can customize to instantly open your favorite features. Whether you want it to launch your camera, turn on your flashlight, or trigger a custom shortcut, changing its function only takes a few seconds. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap Action button. You will see a realistic interactive layout on your screen showing the Action button on the side of a virtual iPhone. Step 3. Swipe left or right across the screen to cycle through the different functions available for the button. You can choose options like silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, or even translate. In this example, I'll choose camera. Step 4. If you select an option that has extra customization like camera or shortcut, tap the drop-down menu underneath the option name to pick a specific action. For example, you can set the camera option to launch straight into video mode instead of a standard photo. Step 5. Once you find the function you want to use, highlight it and then simply exit the Settings app. Your choice is saved automatically, and you can test it out right away by pressing and holding the Action button on the side of your phone. Alternatively, if you want the Action button to do something highly specific that is not listed in the default menu, you can link it to Apple's Shortcuts app for almost limitless possibilities. Go back to the Action button settings menu, swipe until you find the shortcut option, and tap the selection menu beneath it. From here, you can choose any custom shortcut you have already created on your device. For instance, you could set the button to open a specific smart home app, start a text message to a specific contact, or log your water intake for the day. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.